Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 9 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about making homepage slider dynamic. So let's see how can we make this homepage slider dynamic. So first of all, let's create a model for the slider. So go to the command prompt and here let's run the command php artisan make model, a space model name which is home slider. And for creating the migration, just add here -m. Okay, now hit enter. Model and migration created. Now switch to the project and let's open the migration. So just go inside the database directory, then migration, and from here let's open this one, home slider. Okay, and inside this migration, let's add here some fields for the slider. So let's add here field for this top heading and this heading, subheading, and this offer text. Okay, and also add a field for this button. Okay, and one more field for this image. So inside this migration, just write here $table arrow data type string and column name top title. Okay, another column data type string and column name title. Okay, let's copy this and here just change the column name, subtitle, offer, and link. Okay, and for image and one more field for the status. So add a triple data type boolean and column name status. Okay, now save this file and now let's migrate this migration. So in command prompt, run the command php artisan migrate. Okay, now hit enter. Migration done. Now let's create 3 livewire component, one for the list of all slides and second for the adding new slide and third for the edit slide. Okay, so let's create this livewire component. So run the command php artisan make livewire space directory name admin / component name admin home slider component. Okay, now hit enter. Alright, now let's create another component for add the slide. So right here admin add home slide. Okay, component. Now hit enter and one more component for the edit the slide. So right here edit. Okay, home slide component. Now hit enter. All three component created. Now run the application. So write here php artisan serve. Alright, now switch to the project and let's create the route for this component. So go to the routes directory and then open web.php file and inside this admin middleware route group, let's add here route ::get add the URI admin / slider. Okay, and then add here the component name admin home slider component : class and also give the route name. So write here name and admin dot home.slider. Alright, now let's create the route for the add a new slide. So let's copy this and paste here and add here the URI admin slider add. Okay, and change the class admin add home slide component. Okay, and change the route name here admin home slider slide dot add. Okay, now let's copy this and change the URI for the edit. So write edit and also pass one parameter here, route parameter, which is slide ID slide underscore ID. Okay, and change the class name admin edit home slide component. Alright, and also change here the route name edit. Okay, now save this file. Okay, now go to the admin home slider component class file. So just inside the app directory, then http livewire admin, and from here let's open this one admin home slider component. Okay, and inside this render method, first of all let's fetch all the slide. Okay, so right here slides is equal to home slider model name colon order by, okay, order by created at, and add here the order descending order. Okay, descending, then call here the get method. Alright, now just pass these slides to the view. So here add the big bracket slides arrow dollar slides. Okay, now save this file. Now let's open the admin home slider component view file. So just go inside the resources directory and then views livewire admin, and from here let's open this one admin home slider component.py.php file. Okay, now just remove this div. Now go to the admin this one admin categories component view file. Okay, and from here let's copy all the text and paste inside this home slider view file. Alright, now change the heading here. So just write here all slides. Okay, and for adding the new slide, just add the text, add new slide, and change the route name admin home dot this route name home dot slide dot add. Okay, so just copy and paste here. Okay, now let's change here the column name and add here first column, which is image, and then top title. Okay, and then title, subtitle, offer. So let's copy. Okay, title, then subtitle, then offer text, link. Okay, and one more heading, which is status. Alright, now inside this T body, just change here and write here slides. Okay, this one slides, and also change here slides edge dollar slide. Okay, and for displaying the image, let's add here slide arrow title for displaying the title. Okay, and let's copy this and remove this one and paste multiple times. Okay, first display here the image, so write your image, then title, top title, so write your top underscore title, then subtitle, offer, link, status. Okay, and for displaying the slider image, just add here the img tag, src is equal to double curly bracket, then asset, and add here the path, so write your assets slash imgs and then sliders. Okay, let's create this folder name, so go to the project directory and just go inside the public folder, then assets imgs. Okay, and here already created this folder slider. Okay, so let's change here the name slider. Okay, now let's cut this and paste inside this double quote and add here forward slash. Okay, now just close this image tag and also set here the width 80 pixel. Okay, and for displaying the status, just add here ternary operator. If status is equal to 1, then display here active, otherwise inactive. Okay, and for let's change here the edit link, so just add here admin home.slide.edit and pass here the slide id, slide underscore id. Okay, this one, and pass here the slider id, so slide arrow id. Okay, and for deleting inside this method, just pass here $slide arrow id. Okay, and just remove this pagination link. Alright, now save this file and let's check the page, this page. So switch to the browser and before checking this, let's add here the link inside this admin menu. So go to the layout file, layouts directory, and just open app.blade.php file. Okay, and here inside the admin menu, okay, this is the admin menu. Let's add here a link, so let's copy this line and just paste here, change here the text, manage slider. Okay, and change here the route name admin home.slider. Okay, now save this and let's check. So just refresh the page. Now go to the admin menu and let's click on manage slider. Okay, current page does not exist. Alright, we are not using here the pagination, so inside this view file, just remove this and put here the value 0. Okay, now save this and refresh the page, and here is the slider page. Okay, now let's click on this one, admin new slide. Okay, the blank page. Now let's add here the form inside this slider add page. So go to the admin, this one, admin add home slider complete view file. Okay, and just remove this div. Let's copy all the text from the admin add category component view file. So let's copy all the text from here, and inside this add home slide component view file, just paste here. Okay, now change here the text, add new slide, also change here as add new slide, change the route name for displaying the all slides. Okay, admin.home.slider. Okay, this one. Now here let's change here the label. First is top label, top title. Okay, and second one, title. Okay, also just remove this name. Enter slider title. Okay, and just remove this generate key slug, and from here just remove this one. Okay, enter slider slide title, enter slide, sorry, top title, and here enter slide title. Okay, now let's copy this and paste multiple times. And after this, just add here the label, subtitle, then offer. Okay, and for link, and one more for status. Okay, and one more for the image. Okay, slider image. So okay, change here the text, image, and here just remove this input text field and add here the file input. Okay, input type is equal to file, and class form control. Alright, and let's copy this and just close this, and now remove this one. Alright, and for this status, let's add here the select controls. So write here select class is equal to form as select, and just add here this one, add mod wire colon model is equal to property name. Okay, and close this and add here two option value is equal to 1 for the yes. Okay, active, and let's copy this and change the value 0 for inactive. Okay, and now let's remove this. Alright, now go to the admin add home site component class file. So from here let's open this one, and inside this class let's add here some property. So right here, first property, public dollar tops title, another dollar title, public dollar subtitle, okay, another one which is offer, okay, then a status, image, okay, and one more for the link. Alright, now let's bind this property to the form. So inside this form, let's change here where column model is equal to property name top underscore title, and here title for subtitle sub underscore title, okay, and then offer here link, and for the status as status slider image, so right here image, okay, and let's copy this property name and paste here for the validation error message. Okay, here, so let's copy and paste here for the link, offer, subtitle, title, okay, and last one for top title. Okay, now save this file. Now go to the admin add home slider component class file, and here let's add here the function for adding the slide. So right here public function and function name add slide, okay, and then first of all let's validate the control input field. So right here dollar this arrow validate, and inside the big bracket just pass here this property name. So let's select, okay, and just paste here. Alright, now just click alt shift and drag, okay, and add here the single quote arrow, and add the validation required, and remove this semicolon and add here the comma. Okay, add a semicolon. Now after this validation let's add here the slide. So right here dollar slide is equal to new home slider, okay, then slide arrow top title is equal to dollar this arrow top underscore title. Alright, now let's copy and paste here, change the column name title, and here subtitle, offer, link status, and last one for image, for adding the image. First of all, let's generate the image name. So right here, dollar image name is equal to, use the carbon colon. Now arrow, get the timestamp. So write your time stamp, and concatenate with the image extension. So first of all, add here the dot, then dollar this arrow image arrow extension. Okay, and then let's save this image. So call here dollar this arrow image and call the store method, store as, and pass here the path. Okay, so which is the image name inside the assets imgs slider. Okay, so write here slider and pass here the image name, this one, dollar image name. And after this, just save this image name to the database. So write here dollar this dollar image name, and here column name is image. Alright, now call the save method, slide arrow save, and inside the session add the flash message, flash. Okay, set the key message, slide has been added. Alright, now let's copy this function name and save this file and go to the view file, and inside this form just change the function name and just add here add slide. Okay, and for one more thing, inside this image input field, file input field, for displaying the preview image, just add here, first of all, add the if directive, if dollar image exists, then in the if directive, so right here in if, then display the image. So add here the image tag, img tag, and then src is equal to double curly bracket dollar this dollar image arrow temporary URL. Okay, and also set here the width 100 pixel, okay, and inside the placeholder text, top title, and here add the subtitle for the offer, slide offer. Okay, and just add here the link. Alright, now save this file. Now everything is done, so let's check. So switch to the browser and refresh the page, and you can see here the form. Okay, one more thing, inside the class file, admin add home slide component class file, just import here the use livewire with file upload. Okay, with file uploads, and now inside the class is use with file upload, Okay, now save this. Now let's add our slide. So refresh the page and enter here the top title. Okay, so just add here the dummy text, top title here, and here title, title here, subtitle. Okay, and offer, this is offer text. Okay, add here the link. So let's copy the soft link and paste here. The status active. Okay, and browse the image. So let's select this one, and you can see here the preview image. Okay, now let's click on submit, and you can see here slide has been added. Okay, now click on all slides, and here you can see the first slide. Alright, now let's make working this one, edit slide and delete slide. Okay, so first of all let's see this one, edit slide. So inside this project, let's open the admin edit home slide component view file, this one. Okay, this one. Now let's remove this step, and from this file, admin add home slide component view file, let's copy all the text and paste inside this view file. Okay, edit home slide component view file. Now change here the heading, edit slide. Okay, and also change here the text, edit slide. Okay, and in submit button just add in the text update. Now save this file, and let's open the admin edit home slide component class file. So from here let's open this one, and inside this class file, from admin add home slide component class file, let's copy this property and also this one. So let's copy and also copy this method. Okay, and inside this one, this class, just paste here. Okay, and also import the with file upload. So right here use livewire with file uploads. Okay, and slider. Okay, imported, and also import the carbon. Alright, now change the method name, update slide. Okay, and from here let's remove this required validation for the image, and here let's create one more property for slide ID. So right here public $slide underscore ID, and now let's add here the mount method, lifecycle loop method. So right here public function and function name mount, and pass here the parameter slide underscore ID, and inside this mount method, let's fetch the slide according to this ID. So right here $slide is equal to home slider colon find $slide underscore ID. Alright, now $this arrow top title is equal to dollar this, dollar slide arrow top underscore title. Okay, now let's copy and paste multiple times. Change here the column name, which is title, then subtitle. Okay, then offer, link, status, then image. Okay, and last one, slider ID. Slider underscore ID is equal to slider arrow ID. Alright, and here let's create one more property for new image. So write here public dollar new image. Okay, and go to the view file, admin, edit home slide component view file, and inside the image let's change here the property new image. Also change here new image. Okay, if new image available, then preview the image, otherwise I'll just load the image from database. So add here the else part, else, and now let's copy this img tag, and here just add here asset, and slider path. So assets slash imgs slash slider, and then forward slash image. Okay, just remove this. Now save this, and inside this update slide method, just change here, just remove this new, and find colon find according to this slider ID. Okay, this one. So right here dollar this arrow slide ID, then top title is equal to this one, title, subtitle, offer, link, a status, and for image just add here if dollar this arrow new image, then cut this line and paste inside this if, and change here the property name and write here new image. Also change here alright, and before storing the new image, just remove this previous image. So call here the unlink method, unlink, and pass here the path assets imgs slash slider, and slash, and just add here the just concatenate with the old image name. Okay, so write here dollar slide arrow image. Okay, and also change here the text slide has been updated. Okay, now save this, and let's copy this function name and go to the view file and just change the function name inside the form. So remove this add slide and paste here function name update slide. Okay, now save this. Now it's done. And one more thing, I'll go to the admin home slide component view file, and let's make working this delete link. So inside the delete confirmation, here is the confirmation model, and let's change here the method name delete slide. Okay, and also change here the method name delete slide. And inside the admin home slider component class file, let's create here a property public dollar slide underscore id. Alright, now save this, and here let's change the property to this dot set slide underscore id. Okay, set this id to this property. Now delete slide, and let's change here the function name delete slide. Okay, and now let's create this function inside this class file. So before this render method, just add here the function public function and function name delete slide, and here just write here dollar slide is equal to home slider colon find, and pass here this property name. Okay, so write here dollar this arrow slide underscore id. Okay, then first of all just remove the stored image. So write here a link. Let's copy the function. Let's copy this one and paste here. Okay, then call the delete method. So write here slide arrow delete, and after this inside the session put the flash message. Okay, slide has been deleted. Alright, now save this file, and everything is done. So let's check. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, now let's edit the slide. So click on edit, and here you can see the slide, and here is the image. Okay, now let's change the title here. So top title updated, subtitle offer. Okay, active, change the image. Okay, and now just click on update, and you can see here slide has been updated. Now click on all slides, and here you can see the updated slide. Alright, now let's add one more slide here. So click on add new slide, add the title top title second, here title subtitle offer link. Okay, status active, and add here the image, this one. Click on submit, added. Alright, you can see here these two slides. Okay, now let's check the delete link. So click on delete. You can see here the confirmation, cancel, save. Now one more time delete, click on delete, and you can see here slides has been deleted. Now let's use this slide on home page. So go to the home page, and here let's display the dynamic slide. So switch to the project, and first of all let's open the home component class file. So let's open this one. This is the view file. Let's open the class file, and here inside the render method, just write here dollar slides is equal to home slider colon colon where first of all let's check here the status. So right here column name is status is equal to 1, then get. Okay, and now let's pass this slides to the view file. So right here big bracket slides arrow dollar slides. Alright, now save this file. Now go to the home component view file. Let's open this one, and here this is the slider section. Okay, this is the first slide and this one is the second slide. So before this first slide div, let's add here @ for each. Okay, slides add slide, and inside this for each, now let's cut this div and paste here. Okay, and just remove this this other slide. So just remove this div. Okay, now display here the top title. So right here double curly bracket dollar slide arrow top underscore title. Okay, now let's copy this and display here the title. So right here slide arrow title subtitle, then offer, okay, and for link just remove this and add a double curly bracket, then dollar slide arrow link. Alright, and for displaying the image, just remove this and add here double curly bracket asset and this URL, and after this just add the forward slash double curly bracket, then dollar slide arrow image. Okay, and inside this alt tag just copy this title and paste here. Okay, now it's done. So save this file and let's check. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Now you can see here the slider is now dynamic. Okay, just remove one text from here. So go to the manage slider. Okay, edit and remove this extra text from here, subtitle. Updated, refresh the page. Okay, this time it's showing one slide because here is in all slide page you can see here this time only one slide exists. Okay, now let's add one more slide. So click on add new slide and add here the text second top title second. Okay, and here title 2, here subtitle and here offer and link. Let's add the link. The status active. Okay, and add here the image. This just adding this image. Click on submit. Okay, added. Now just refresh the page and you can see here the two slides. This is the first slide, and if I click on this, you can see here the second slide. Okay, so in this way you can make homepage slider dynamic. So that's all about making homepage slider dynamic. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.